AI prompt is a text input given to an AI model to generate a response. It guides the AI's output, helping users create content, solve problems, automate tasks, and enhance creativity. Primary prompt engineering is to craft effective prompts that guide AI models to generate accurate, relevant, and structured responses, improving usability, efficiency, and output quality. A zero-shot prompt is when you ask an AI to perform a task without providing any example. The AI relies on its pre-trained knowledge to generate a response. A few-shot prompt provides examples within the prompt to guide AI response. It helps the model understand patterns, improving accuracy and relevance compared to zero-shot prompt, which lacks examples. Role prompting is a technique where AI is assigned a specific role or persona, e.g., act as a marketing expert, to generate more relevant, context-aware, and high-quality responses. Constraints help refine AI responses by setting limits on length, format, tone, or content, ensuring accuracy, relevance, and structured outputs tailored to specific needs. Using context in a prompt improves accuracy, relevance, and coherence, helping AI generate precise, meaningful, and well-structured responses tailored to specific needs and scenarios. Zero-shot prompting provides no examples, while few-shot prompting includes a few examples to guide AI in generating more accurate and contextually relevant responses. Great job! How did you do? Mastering prompt engineering is all about adding real context. Subscribe, drop your score in the comments, and grab our free advanced guide below. Keep prompting.